You think I ain't tried to make a go of it? And you think I just lay down and open my legs because it was easy? I know that this saloon don't look like nothing, but it's better than a lot of those places. Ask anybody. Well, only last night, one of Burt Williams' musicians sat right up front and it stayed through the entire show. Well, you think one of those gals at the big reviews and start right where I am? Let me tell you, so many wonderful ideas has been conjured in this room, but they just get left in that bed over there, or on this piano bench. They scattered all over this room. Esther, I ain't waiting for anybody to come and rescue me. My Panama man come and go a long time now. It's sweet that he writes you. My dear, it ain't real.